Hello everybody and welcome. My name is Eric and today currently in Lake Tohopekaliga, or Lake Toho as I call it for short. It's a lake that's near my home, about 10 minutes away, and today I'm going to be actually testing my Mavic Pro's capability of how much battery it consumes between normal mode and sport mode. Right now I got the drone set up right there. I'm gonna be getting it ready and I'm gonna be shooting down towards the lake. I got plenty of space in this area right here. The wind is calm, it's not too windy, and I should be able to actually, pull off the test. So my plan is, I'm thinking about taking the drone about 30 meters up in the air, and I'm gonna go about, let's say, 3,000 meters all the way over there, and then come and bring it right back up to me. And we're gonna measure how much battery it uses between the regular mode and sport mode. So without any further ado, let's get right to it. There we go. Now we're ready. So let's the battery of the Mavic Pro currently is at 100%. And again, I'm gonna be taking the drone up to 30 meters in the air, and then we're gonna go 3,000 meters forward. Now I will be fast forwarding this footage because otherwise it'll be too boring. So let's get right to it. 30 meters in the air. Okay, I'm currently at close to 30 meters. I'm not in sport mode. If I was in sport mode, you'll see on the left hand side, the special options disappears. See? I'm gonna put a normal mode and we're gonna go forward. So here we go. Okay, so it appears that I used about 43% of the battery on a 6,000 meter run, which is plenty of distance really on normal mode. So now what I'm going to do, I'm gonna switch batteries and test it with a fresh battery, of course, and put it on sport mode. Let's go right to it. All right, so we got a fresh battery in place. Let's get this motor started. Again, we're gonna go 30 meters up in the air, but now we're gonna go in sport mode. See, when you go in sport mode, the special options on the left hand side disappear. And so let's get started. Okay, I'm about 30 meters. So we're gonna go the same test, 3,000 meters ahead, 3,000 meters back. You already see it's a lot faster right now. So we're over 60 kilometers per hour. That's pretty cool. Damn, that thing is flying on the air. That's pretty impressive, actually. Just to watch the thing just go like a freaking rocket. Anyway, I'll shut up. Let's go on. Now this is interesting. On normal mode, I brought the battery down to 57%. In sport mode, it's about 50. So if I were to give it a percentage, the only main difference is, at least on this trip, is 7%. That is pretty good. That is pretty amazing. So I will say that, let's say there was an island that I wanted to capture over there on the lake. I will use the sport mode to get to it, and once I get to it, then I switch back to normal mode, you know, to capture the shots that I wanted. So I gotta say, this Mavic Pro is incredibly efficient. Amazing. I'm just amazed. This is great. All right, let me put everything back. All right, so in conclusion, I will say that if you were to use a sport mode, you would have to use it in a smart way for your advantage. Now, if you were to use it constantly, it'll just use up the battery. As you guys noticed in the last few seconds there, I lost like 2-3% of the battery just standing still. So it's like the entire drone goes into hyper mode. So it is good to use on burst to get to somewhere quick and then switch back to normal mode. Otherwise, it'll drain your battery very fast. But other than that, when it comes to traveling, it is fantastic, super efficient. Only a few percentages of difference between normal and sport mode. So with this, I'd like to conclude this video. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it, and I'll see you in the next one.